So I wanted to show you, we have been making basically Alfredo pasta, but gluten-free and like a health version of this. So I just peel carrots into this pan. You can actually serve the carrots. This is the base, this is the noodle. You can serve this cold, as is, because when they're shredded like this, with the peel so fine, it really, it's easy to chew. But I like to saute ours in a little bit of olive oil, just to add some flavor, and I really don't season these. So that's what I do for the base noodle. And we've just been trying to up like the amount of like nutritious food that we've been having. So by doing carrots, I feel like it really ups the vitamins. This is gonna be like the base for the sauce. So this is a frozen bag of the cut onions with peppers and celery with some spinach, the frozen organic spinach that's shredded. So I've just added that into the saucepan, and I've kind of warmed it up and stuff. Normally I would add a bunch of mushrooms to this, but I forgot to add that onto the grocery order. So it's mushroomless, but mushrooms are really, really good for you, your health. It actually really helps with mental function and brain function, and there's actually part of the mushroom that passes the blood-brain barrier. So that's kind of a recent thing that they've discovered. So it's just really good for your health. So normally we'd add mushrooms to this. We'd saute it, we use olive oil. I love this brand of olive oil from Kroger. So that's what I put in here. And then what I'm going to add is the tapioca flour. This is really great, healthy alternative to regular flour, but it's really good for thickening like soups or sauces as well. So I'm going to add some of that in here, and then I'll show you the next part. So I've got about 2 tablespoons of the tapioca starch. I did add some minced garlic in here. This is basically a sauce that you can add whatever vegetables, whatever seasonings you want to flavor your aroma. It is important to make sure you do have olive oil in here to mix with the tapioca starch. I need to turn this down because it's kind of sticking to the bottom of the pan, and I'll show you the next step. So the next step is to pour just a little bit of coconut milk. And when you're cooking for a family, I like to be just more of an it yourself cook. So start with like the base ingredients, whether that's 2 bags of frozen spinach and onions or 1. I'm doing 1 for us. And then however many cans you need. Okay, so we're just going to mix it until it starts to reach the sauce consistency that you want. So yeah, I'll show you the end results, but I'm going to get to it. So yeah, add more. So I used about 2 cans of coconut milk in here, and that got it to this consistency. It looks great. I also decided to do some fire roasted, like tomatoes, fire roasted, quotation marks, just by adding like some liquid smoke and some stewed canned tomatoes, and I diced them up with yesterday's fajita chicken and green bell pepper strips, and I cut those up and basically sauteed them in the pan together. And I'm going to add that in to there, and then here is our carrot pasta mix, and we'll be ready to go.